Welcome to this surrender session for those that are very caught up in their bodily sensations and symptoms of anxiety. I'd like you to go ahead and find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. This time right now is for you. And as you get yourself comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. As you close your eyes, tap into the feeling that you no longer have to fight with your bodily symptoms or the thoughts and the stories in your mind. Letting all of that striving, clinging go now. As we begin this surrender session, I want to remind you that this time is for you and only you. This time is for your healing. This time is for you to come back to your true self, inner peace. And as you feel that coming back now, send focus to your breathing rhythm, allowing the breath to gently slow down without force, coming back to its natural rhythm without forcing, without pushing. Feel like you're letting go. Letting go a little more now. Allowing yourself to move away from doing and moving towards simply being in this moment with what you're feeling, without judgment, without labels, simply allowing. As we turn our focus now to one bodily sensation, the first one that came to you, that you're feeling right now. And as you turn your attention to this bodily sensation, go ahead and be the witness of the feeling that you're feeling. Being the witness feels like you are watching it as if you're watching a TV show. And as you're watching this sensation in your body, you feel neutral towards it. The feeling of allowing it to be there without fighting to change it. Feel this now. Feel your focus softening softening, softening, even more so towards this sensation in your body. It almost starts to feel like there is no need to fix it or change it. It's okay for the sensation to be there now. As you feel a softening happening through your whole body now, from head all the way down to your toes, softening, softening, softening. The noise is starting to lessen. The fighting is stopping now. The feeling of trust is showing up. You can trust that you are safe. Now moving your attention to your entire body. As your focus turns to your entire body, you may feel something, but the judgments are gone. You just feel it. You've moved away from the stories, the labels, and the harsh judgments of the past. And right now, you are with your entire body. Feel a deeper sense of peace now with whatever is going on in your body. You are at peace with what is. From time to time during this surrender session, your inner protector, that voice in your mind, may show up, trying to drag you back into franticness, into clinging to a story that you used to believe in. That's okay. The inner protector can show up, and you recognize it, and you move your focus right back to being with what is. Bringing your focus back to your rhythmic breathing now. There is no controlling it, there's only watching the breath as it moves like the waves. You are calm, you are grounded, you are centered, and you simply are in this moment. how wonderful it feels to move away from all the noise. All the noise that your mind used to make in relation to these symptoms. It is safe for you to move away from the noise. Even further away from the noise. Moving towards a deeper level of inner peace now. You are getting more and more comfortable with the silence. You are trusting that you are safe in letting go, in surrendering. You will notice that your body may bring up a new symptom during this time, but you treat that symptom the way you did the initial symptom. You watch it. You are with it. And you are no longer dragged into the old stories around it. Just be with what is. Now, as we move towards the conclusion of this surrender session for your symptoms, we allow ourselves to stay in this space of inner peace throughout the rest of the day. As you slowly and gently begin to move parts of your body again. Allowing this softening to be there. Allowing your eyes to slowly open up. Welcome back. You have given yourself a wonderful gift today. Repeat as often as you need, and I'll see you next time. I love you, and you are more than anxiety. Bye-bye.